In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a business logo with Canva in 2025, step by step. We'll keep this simple, clear, and beginner-friendly so you can walk away with a professional logo you're proud to use. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design, then use the search bar to type Logo. Choose the standard logo template size to get a square canvas that fits most platforms and brand needs. This gives you the right proportions from the start, so you won't have to resize later. On the left panel, browse the templates section. Scroll through or use keywords that describe your brand's vibe: modern, minimalist, playful, or bold. Pick a template that's close to your vision. You can customize everything, so think of this as your starting point rather than the final design. Next, go to text and add your business name. If you have a tagline, add that too. Use clear font hierarchy. Your business name should be the most prominent, with the tagline smaller and more subtle. Try a few font combinations to find one that matches your brand personality. Clean, readable fonts work best for logos. Head over to Elements to add shapes, icons, or illustrations that represent what you do. Use the search bar to find relevant icons, and keep the design simple so it stays versatile at small sizes. Adjust line thickness or style so everything looks cohesive. Now, set your colors. Open the color options and apply shades that match your brand identity. Stick to 2 or 3 colors for a balanced, professional look. Ensure there's enough contrast between text and background so it's easy to read wherever you place the logo. If you have your own images or icons, click Uploads and bring them in. Vector-style graphics work especially well, and high-resolution files will keep your logo crisp. Take a moment to refine, adjust sizes and positions, align elements with Canva's smart guides, and space things evenly. Try a few variations by duplicating the page. Different fonts, icon placements, or color orders to compare options side by side. Aim for a design that's memorable and easy to recognize even at a small size. When you're happy, click Download. Choose PNG for a high-quality image, and turn on the transparent background option if you plan to place your logo over photos or colored backgrounds. And that's it. Your business logo is ready in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.